everyone, and welcome back to my studio. Hope you're ready for some fun today. Everybody seems to be trying Nate Bright's version of the strainer pour, which he calls the Nautilus. So we're going to give that a try. I've got my spinner out. I've got some beautiful colors here. We're going to give it a go. So hold on, let's go back down to the canvas and we'll see what we're doing today. Okay, today we are working on a 14 by 14 canvas. It's been taped and push pinned, and I've got it mounted on my spinner. And this board is to help me spin it easier. I have my strainer, and look, it's even color coordinated. And I have my colors for today. So our colors are going to be Deco Art Metallics in the 24 karat gold. One of my favorites, all mixed up. Next is going to be Amsterdam Azo Orange. I am in love with this color, and that is going to be our border color that I pre-painted, and that is going to be our base coat along with in our pour. And our last color is this beautiful tone I've made here, and this is a mixture of Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue with a little of the golden Turquoise Pthalo dripped in there to darken it up, and that's giving me a gorgeous turquoise. It's going to look so cool against that orange. So the first thing we're going to do is flood our canvas and get started. Okay, I think I've resolved the problem with the orange paint. I don't know what got in that cup, but it is gone now. All right, we're going to put our strainer in the middle. That looks about the middle right there. And we're going to make a pour cup real quick. So let me put this off to the side for a second. We'll make a pour cup and we'll bring that back in. All right, so for our pour cup, I'm going to start with some gold. And then orange. A little more of the gold. Sort of a separator between the blue and the orange. All right, time to give this a try. So let me move this back. Get it set up again, exactly where it needs to be. There we go. All right. So the objective is to sort of ring pour into the middle here while turning the canvas slowly. So here goes. Yeah, it's all turning to mud. Well, that's a fail. Let's try this again. I'm going to scrape this. Hold on. All right, let's try this one more time before I give up. I have added some titanium white with Deco Art Satin Enamel. And I've made a new pour cup with thicker layers, the white in between. And we're going to try pouring this just a little slower and not ring pour it, just straight pour it. hoping I can get it to go over this way a bit. It seems to all want to fly off that one edge. Maybe I have to turn it the other direction. See, now we're getting some. I'm going to move it that way a little bit. Oh, we're getting some pretty lines now. I just can't get it to go that way. So we're gonna have to keep spinning until we get those corners. Give it a little bit more paint. Let's sort of go in a crud in here. A little bit more. Get this out to that corner over there where it doesn't seem to want to go. We're almost. It's just this one edge here doesn't seem to want to play nice. Break the edge a little, see if I can get it to... Whoa! Don't spin that hard. It's paint going everywhere. Almost. If I could just get a little bit more to go that way. Tilt just a tiny bit to see if I can get anything to run on that edge. For some reason it just won't go that way. I have to put some more paint over there or something. See if it helps move it off this edge. Ooh, I got paint everywhere, people. Everywhere but that one corner now. And we gotta move it that way a little bit more. Just trying to get that one corner, guys. If I could just get the paint to move that way just a tiny bit. Give it a little help. Just a wee bit of help. Come on, guys. You don't want to mess up the rest because it's looking pretty cool. Just this corner does not seem to want to go. I think the color combination was not a good choice because the blue and the orange seem to be making this funky green in a lot of places. But I think the addition of the white really helped. If I can just get that corner. Oh, frustration. Everything is looking so pretty except that corner. I'm just gonna tilt for a minute and pray that I can get some stuff to run to that corner. I just cannot get this to come over that corner. line just won't go there. Come on. Oh, almost there. Take this off. We're going to twist and then pull. Oh, that made a big muddy yuck. All right, we're going to need a skewer. Because that's pretty ugly right there. I have to pour something in there. Left over in here. Fix up that center. Except for that corner, everything's looking pretty good. Except for these giant bubbles that have decided to grace our little section here. Tilt it and get it to go over that edge. It just does not like that edge. So we're going to see if we can just tilt the whole mess that way a bit. It's going to ruin my eccentric circle thing, but it'd be worth it if I can get that edge to just pull off. Encourage it, but it just doesn't want to encourage. I think we're just gonna there's something there that just won't let that paint move. It's like all the weight of the paint is at this end, and it just won't slide off that end. So we're just gonna crunch it and stretch, because I'm not real happy with this one anyway, so we're just gonna play with it so we get that corner. Sometimes you just got to work with what you have. There we go. Finally got that corner. All right, hold back a little. See, that's not so bad. Actually, I may continue stretching it down that way. I like that. All right, let me torch this. I think we're going to give up on this and just call that the way it's going to look. Not sure I like it. I'm going to think about it. Let me clean up a bit, torch this off, clean up the edges, pull it off the spinner, and I'll take you down for a better look. Okay, I'm up for debate whether I'm going to scrape this or not, but let's go in because it made this funky green. You can still see the blue in places. I mean, it's there. But most of the blue mixed with orange and white and made this weird green tone, which is not a very pretty green. So I'm not sure, but I'm loving this. The stretched out center and the fingers out came out nice. I think I need to make the paint a little thicker and definitely not mix the orange and the turquoise this close in a strainer pour. They just get too muddied. All right, that was today's try. We'll see how it dries. Okay, we have the dried results from this one. Came out pretty good, even though the colors aren't exactly what I was looking for. got a lot of green tone from the blue and the white and the orange mixing a bit. But I love the rays out all the way around from the center, which is really pretty. Just sort of off center here in this corner. But there's some beautiful stuff going on in here. Look at the little cells and little lines and swirls within. So pretty. Okay, so that's that one. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, as that helps me out a lot, and hope to see you next time. Thanks for joining me.